Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon on Friday when a man came and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it does not rain. Supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to shower rain on us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam supplicated, and it had begun to rain before we reached our homes and continued till the next Friday. So the same person or some other one got up and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, supplicate to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to turn it away from us. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, around us, but not on us. The reporter says, the clouds while pouring down cleaved and moved towards right and left, and they were pouring the rain but not on the dwellers of Madinah Munawwara. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1015.